everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making corn jollof. If this is your first time in my kitchen, you're welcome and kindly consider subscribing. So let's get started. For the list of ingredients, kindly click on the description below. I'll start by adding 1 cup of water to the pot, then bring it to a boil. Then I'll add corn kernels. Okay, salt, stir it, then cover it and let it cook till it's soft. Okay, this is fine, so I'll set it aside. Here I'll heat up palm oil, then add smoked fish to it. Let it fry for about 2 minutes for it to infuse its flavor into the palm oil. Now add the pepper mix, stir it properly, let it fry for about 3 to 5 minutes until the oil starts to float on top. Okay, this is fine. Gently stir it. Then add seasoning cube. And I'll add boiled goat's meat. Kpomo, then stir it properly and let it simmer for another 3 minutes. Okay, now add a little stock, cover it and let it simmer for another 2 minutes. Now this is fine. Now add the boiled corn. Gently stir it together. And let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, this is fine. Here I'll taste it to determine the amount of salt to add. Then add salt. Stir it properly. Also taste it to be sure that the salt is fine, then add my scent leaf. Then let it simmer for another 90 seconds. And we're done. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.